Me Locksmiths are your professional, experienced and reliable locksmiths in Adelaide. Our founder, Richard Smith, a master locksmith with over 30 years experience, started Me back in 2010. We are a 100% South Aussie family business, providing quality workmanship guaranteed. Since then, we've grown to become one of Adelaide's most trusted mobile locksmiths, servicing all areas of Adelaide every day. Technology is rapidly changing, requiring specialist equipment for common lock issues such as keyless entry, laser cutting and diagnostic programming. At Me, we are always investing in specialist equipment that is available in each one of our vans. And our vans are more than just a support vehicle. They are a mobile locksmith workshop, fully equipped to deal with any situation, anywhere, at any time. We specialise in all areas of locksmith services, including car, home and office. We have the right experience, training and know-how to do the job right the first time, every time.
Me Locksmiths is a 100% customer-focused business. We only provide the best possible service to all our customers and we use the highest quality parts in all our work. That's my commitment to you.
The most rewarding thing about my job is seeing the relief on people's faces when I get them into their car or their house. What can seem like a disaster to someone is just part of our daily job.
So remember guys, for all your locksmith needs, Me.